What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, the NY couple is now finally back in Thailand and starting their work that they left last week. Process Pirban uploaded their sweet moments together with her boyfriend and Dek in South Korea. Instagram post, she captioned it, happy face, thank you for finding me a reading spot, buying me the donuts and drinks and the balloon. Missing the windy cold and all the food already. As we can see, the NY couple enjoyed their day of being together. Versus Queer Band was so thankful for having Nadek by her side all the time, and as well as Nadek for having Ursaya. They do a lot, strolling, walking, eating, and to go in somewhere, other places in Korea. The Noy couple's mission is finally complete after they help their friend to propose for his girlfriend. The Noy couple and friends is back in Thailand with a smile of their faces.